Have you ever wondered how your skin regenerates overnight? What if you could support that process with a night cream that promises to restore elasticity, reduce wrinkles, and boost your skin's vitality by morning? Well, EltaMD's PM Restore Face Moisturizer is here to do just that. This night cream is more than just a moisturizer. It's a restorative treatment designed to work with your skin's natural healing process while you sleep. EltaMD is a well-regarded name in skincare, known for developing products that are both effective and safe for all skin types. The PM Restore Face Moisturizer is no exception. This 1.7-ounce jar is packed with a potent blend of ingredients like peptides, niacinamide, and ceramides, each carefully selected to target the skin's needs during its nightly recovery cycle. Peptides, in particular, help boost collagen production, while niacinamide works to reduce redness and improve skin tone. Together, they promise smoother, more youthful-looking skin. I've been using this moisturizer for a few weeks now, and here's what I've found. First off, the texture is lightweight and non-greasy, which is something I really appreciate in a night cream. It absorbs quickly, leaving my skin feeling soft, but not oily. It's a perfect balance between hydration and nourishment, which is critical when you're looking to repair and revitalize your skin overnight. During my real-world testing, I used this cream as my nighttime moisturizer for a few weeks, after cleansing and applying my serums. It didn't cause any breakouts, which is a huge plus for my sensitive skin, and I noticed that it left my face feeling replenished without any residue. It's important to mention that while I didn't see dramatic overnight results, by morning, my skin did look brighter and smoother. Over time, the fine lines around my eyes and mouth appeared a bit less pronounced, which was an encouraging sign. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, the product is gentle enough for all skin types, including sensitive skin, and it truly helps with hydration. The lightweight formula doesn't clog pores, and it's fragrance-free, which is always a win for those who are sensitive to added scents. On the downside, I do wish the product came in a larger size, as it's easy to go through the 1.7 ounces fairly quickly when you use it every night. Additionally, while the results were noticeable over time, I didn't experience the kind of dramatic overnight transformation some might hope for from an anti-aging product. As for value for money, this product is on the higher end in terms of pricing. However, considering its formulation, especially with the peptides and ceramides, I do feel it justifies the cost if you're looking for a solid, no-frills night cream that hydrates and helps with skin elasticity. If you're looking for alternatives, there are more affordable options, such as CeraVe's Skin Renewing Night Cream, which also features peptides and is a bit more budget-friendly. However, EltaMD's formulation is still a standout in its category, particularly for anyone with sensitive skin who wants a reliable, soothing option. When it comes to build quality, EltaMD's packaging is sleek and functional. The jar is easy to open and the product dispenses well. The only issue is the size, but that's more of a personal preference than a flaw. I've never had to contact EltaMD's customer service, but the brand has a strong reputation for customer care and responsive service, which gives me confidence in their commitment to customer satisfaction. To wrap it up, EltaMD PM Restore Face Moisturizer lives up to its claims in providing a gentle, effective anti-aging solution for all skin types. If you're looking for a reliable night cream to restore elasticity and vitality to your skin, this is a solid option. However, if you're on a tighter budget or prefer a larger size, there are other alternatives that might fit your needs better. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching. The link to purchase this product can be found in the description box below. If you've tried this product, drop a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.